Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Back with a quick pack opening. A Nancy Kerrigan My Diary. I have been wanting to send to her, so I found this at a yard sale. Don't know how these are going to look. I kind of expected they would be bricked, and this one definitely doesn't seem to be the best. Hopefully not too much paper loss. There is some, but I'm going to send these away for TTM and see what I can get. I think it was $2 for this pack, which I figured was pretty good, honestly. Nothing else, it's worth it for the TTMs. Pretty nice cards, really, overall. Would have been even nicer if one of these came already autographed, but can't get everything. And it looks like that one's a little, stuck together. Oh, please, come on, don't stick. That's the worst part about cards of this age, is you never know if they're going to be stuck together or not. These will look really nice signed, if she does. So, and the last one. Want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you all have a great day.